Hi, my name is Krzysztof. I'm head of data at Ramp Network. So if you don't know what Ramp Network does, we are onboarding users to Web3, so crypto, and offboarding as well. So basically, you are the bridge between Web2 and Web3. Next slide. So what I'm going to tell you about today is our story of getting into Omni and our new data experience. So this started in 2021 when Ramp was rapidly growing from 30 people to 150 within a few months after our Series B. And at the time, the data team here was completely outsourced. So this caused 3 tools, Looker Studio, Looker, and Hex, to be used as dashboarding BI tools, basically misused completely. So what we did when Ramp finally onboarded proper in-house data team, we selected Tableau as our intermediate solution because most of the people in-house knew how to use Tableau. But we also knew that the Tableau will at some point outgrow our entire solution, our entire needs. So we knew at some point we will have to go for a search. We just didn't know how fast, and we were surprised how fast we actually got to the point we understand the business and their needs, and the fact that the tool is not actually what we need. What speed up our process was also the fact that Tableau discontinued their Ask Data capability, so self-service part. So we had no choice to go for a search, and we started to do different POCs with different providers, with few important part as key factors to decide. One of them was speed, second one was governance. And when we did POC with Omni, we immediately knew that this is the one. So next slide. Few things that actually happened since that time. So 10 times faster loading times for dashboards in comparison to Tableau, and 30% more engagement. So 30% more weekly active users using the dashboards in comparison to Tableau. I think what matters the most, it's from minutes to seconds, basically, for our users, so we don't have to wait. Caching algorithm in Omni is awesome, so everything works as our business users want to use it every day. We have users that are basically spending a lot of time in Omni every single day, and our development cycle also was very shortened. So it's not just the speed about loading time, but also actually prototyping, building the data products, and the way they actually work. Next slide. So what we also needed is better governance for our tool. So for instance, we have the data on the user level, the end user level, and we wanted to control who can actually see end user email address. With Omni, that's very easy. We can create a policy and we can assign user property to the user to showcase, okay, you can have access to this column in this topic. This allows us to control this in a very detailed way, but it's not also about column level access. Actually, we can adjust data topics to specific audiences, so create groups like finance, and then finance team has simplified version of the data topics. So underneath, we have the same table, but the finance team only sees the metrics and dimensions they care about, while a person from compliance or from a commercial team sees either completely different set or some shared parts that are useful, but in general, that's the same underlying table, but when data team is coming in, they see everything. So basically, we are capable to control this very granularly, but it's not overcomplicated, so it's just adding tags and it's somewhere there, or allowed attributes to specific needs. And the slide says AI ready. This is also allowing us, when the user is using AI features in Omni, to actually respect his permissions. So when he's asking the blobby thing, the question, actually everything is prepared, and the Omni is using the topic that user has access to. So it's actually better, faster, and more accurate when doing this way. And our users actually love, like internal users, business users are actually loving those features. Next slide. Yeah, and also we didn't intend it to use Omni in more advanced way on the beginning, but with Vega editor for charts, we actually noticed we could actually do some advanced viz that are not capable to be done otherwise. So we created, for instance, this lovely ranking chart for our crypto data that our commercial team can quickly go glance in the dashboard and see not only the current rankings, but also ranking evolution over time. So simple chart, but very visual. We also did some custom box plots, some custom ribbon charts, and it's easy to do with also help of ChatGPT or Claude AI. So it works really well. So we just paste the spec into the tool and works really well. Yeah, and we had just a talk with Ariel earlier that, yeah, we loved those things on our side. We didn't anticipate that, but our business users are also loving the fact that we can bring very nice, very clear. So the fact that's not only fast, but also beautiful is very, very important for us. Yeah, and don't believe just my words. So this is a few of our business users and data team users. Our data team has 11 persons, including me. So this is a few people from the data team and few people from the business team. We actually got, I think, between 30 to 50% less tickets to data team since we introduced Omni, especially from the functions like finance, where they can go into the spreadsheet experience and just have their own metrics very quickly. So actually, when I'm getting a request from finance team now, this is mainly a new people who doesn't know how to do it yet. So we just give them quick training, and other requests just are going away. The only thing, when there is an audit period, we just have a request like, can you double check, because I'm not 100% sure, but on most of those requests, everything is fine because they are using the curated shared model. So yeah. And that would be it. If you have any questions, there was that Slido link somewhere. You can ask them, and we will have a chat later on.